Hey guys, I've got something cool for you guys today. So today I had to go to the city for some appointments, and my wife drove, and I was like, I gotta work on my mobile app. Well, I got into the car and I realized I had no backend, I had no database, and I needed to be able to do error states, loading states, and success. Well, Platapi come to the rescue. So what I did was I went to the mobile code base here for Dirt Slinging Tech, and I was looking at this Racebox repository, and I was looking at this request here. So basically, um, I needed to return a list of objects that had session ID, track name, and time. And you'll see here that I have this URL coded. So if I copy this and come up to our Chrome and paste this in here, boom, there's our response right there. So after I did that, I went to the mobile app. There we go. And I loaded it. Data logger. Okay. Loading race history. Now you'll see there was a circular progress indicator there. We're going to actually, I'll show you how I can slow that down so you can see it better. Let's see here. So if we come back to here, okay, there we go. So on Platapi, you can set the endpoint speed to all of these options, which I'll do super slow. Okay, so that changed it. So now we'll go back here and we'll hit this again. Look at that, loading race history. It just spins and spins and spins. So this way I was able to do my loading state. Whenever I first started, I was coming back so fast, and I saw the little circle or the progress indicator up at the top. And I was like, I don't like that. And I was like, crap, I can't see it because it's going too fast. So I slowed it down. So another cool thing that I did was I did error state. So I changed this back to super fast, and I changed this to a 400 response. And I'll hit it again. Data logger. Boom. Oops, something went wrong. Retry again. Same situation. So now if I go back in here and change this back to a 200 and hit retry, boom. And if I wanted to, I could change, let's see here, let's hit this. See what we want to do here. So we have sessions, session ID, time. We can make all the track names I-35. If I remember how to do this right. So we should be sessions dot, actually, yeah, I think it's dot star. Hold on. That star. And then track name, I believe, we'll hit that and see what that is. Okay, cool, it worked. So now, if I come in here and change this to I-35, because that is actually my home track, I-35 Speedway. Alright, so now we set up this custom override, test endpoint. Oh wait, I gotta try it on the app, sorry. Data logger, boom, I-35 Speedway. That's so cool, man. Like, I was able to get this data mocked, I was able to do loading state, I was able to do error states, all of it, and I had no data, no backend, and it's crazy because, like, if you look at the database here, this is the actual data. I mean, I've got, thousands of rows of this data that I was using locally. Well, not locally. This is on my web server, but my web server's in the closet at home and not with me in the car. So, pretty neat feature. Hope somebody finds it useful.